different in colors, and you can see green color, purple, blue, yellow, and I have these clay molds as well. So you can see these are made of plastic, but they are very nice. This is U. So this is used to cut the clay and make the ABC. This package contains all the 26 letters of alphabet ABC, so you can easily learn and play. This is a very creative activity and toy. You can see this is the clay, this is the purple clay. And this is a very useful toy you can buy for your kids, for yourself, and you can play with it and you can learn all the 26 alphabets. So yeah, I have opened it all. So you can see this is H. So you can easily create, and this is so much fun. So let's see how it works. You just have to take out the clay. So as I have taken this yellow clay out from this yellow box, roll it and press A mold on the clay, and your Play-Doh A is ready for learning, for playing. So this is how it works. This is how we need to play with this amazing clay toy, Play-Doh toy. So you can see I am making A. A is for apple. So this is how your clay toys will look, clay molds will look like. So if you use it, it's so much fun to use it. This is for your learning. So this is the B. This is the letter B. So let's make it. Let's open the blue color Play-Doh and then roll it and press the B mold and clay cutter. You will roll the clay, make it flat, and then put the B on the Play-Doh and then take it off like this. Your alphabet B is ready for your learning and playing. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked this toy unboxing review. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.